While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH. With decentralized finance, DeFi turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum, ETH, a wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum blockchain is a high-level task. It is generally famous among cryptographic money lovers, fundamentally because of its nodal position in the realm of digital currencies. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital currency. The whole peculiarity, and the major center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers designers to form and work on savvy contracts, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called peacefulness, ETH 2.0, is the augmentation of the Ethereum system, with added highlights to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a progressive and reliable stage-wise uncovering with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade and effectiveness, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding strategy to lessen the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the blend, will expand its asset use execution incredibly. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework USM that would before long supplant EVM, i.e., Ethereum Virtual Machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation is currently at long last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the union. Ethereum specialized in essential investigation. The whole cryptographic money market experiences erratic cost unpredictability, going with the venture choice and altcoins seriously testing. In any case, according to our gauges and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and venture altcoins. ETH digital money confronted colossal negative tension in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 and afterward due to the crypto market decline of May 2022. The cost of Ethereum has seen a lofty fall. Starting from the start of 2022, ETH has checked monstrous unpredictability in its cost activity. Throughout recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,000 and $850. At present, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,212. For what reason is Ethereum going down? One of the principal motivations behind why Ethereum is going down is the series of forceful loan cost climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers persistently stress over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market. In this manner, searching for preferred choices over the Ethereum market to put away their cash. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers gigantic returns before the beginning of the new year. In any case, in 2022, there was a huge drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly extraordinary resource for dealers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Wallet financial backers Ethereum cost forecasts propose that the ETH token will be around $5,906.10 by 2027. While Digitalconpress shows that the symbolic will be at a limit of $3,440.95 in 2025, according to their ETH cost expectations. Simultaneously, the ETH value figure of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $2,055.851 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long figure uncovers that ETH cost might be $2,455 by 2026 in light of their Ethereum cost estimate. ETH value expectation 2023. In light of the specialized examination and cost changes, Ethereum digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,081 for 2023. While the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,787 and $2,375. Ethereum value expectation 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the greatest worth of ETH might be around $2,987. Simultaneously, The previous exhibition likewise proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $2,442 and $2,715. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, the base, normal, and greatest exchange values might be around $2,921, $3,255, and $3,589 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum ETH Cost Forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and combinations sooner rather than later of Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. Our Ethereum conjecture uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $3,257 to $3,934, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2026. While the typical cost for the year might be $3,596. ETHCoin Value Expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum estimate, the coin might have a possible high and likely low of $4,475 and $3,851, separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $4,163. Ethereum Crypto Value Expectation 2028. As per our expectations for the year 2028, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $4,698 and $5,230 individually. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $4,964. Ethereum Coin Value Forecast 2029. Constantly 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an extraordinary ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In light of our Ethereum cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $6,241 in the year 2029, while it might exchange around a low of $5,313. The typical worth is supposed to be around $5,777. Ethereum Value Expectations 2030. Our ETH cost expectations 2030 showed the coin may be dashing to peak. The token might have a base cost of $6,795 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a huge high of $7,650 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging in light of our examination. The more, the merrier. The more the specialists' crypto evaluations and feelings for the Ethereum cost expectations, the better. Tell us the speculation council of forces to be reckoned with for the approaching not many years. Greg Lunt tweets, Number Ethereum's cost activity addresses the altcoin market all in all. That Martini fellow accepts, assuming that number Ethereum breaks opposition around $1,305. It will be an extremely decent day. And, with Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto specialists. We reason that the Ethereum projected development will certainly arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost expectation, assuming that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. Be that as it may, this doesn't comprise speculation exhortation in any structure. Complete your own